Hi there, let's go over the basic birthday vocabulary. Any anniversary is called here tähtpäev, tähtpäev, tähtpäev. Päev is a day and täht means a star, but it means an important day. Tähtispäev, 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 or in a different context, a due day. To celebrate means tähistama, tähistama, tähistama. Celebration, tähistamine, tähistamine, tähistamine. I celebrate, ma tähistan, ma tähistan, ma tähistan. We celebrate, me tähistame, me tähistame, me tähistame. You celebrate, sa tähistad, sa tähistad, sa tähistad. You all celebrate, te tähistate, te tähistate, te tähistate. He, she celebrates, ta tähistab, ta tähistab, ta tähistab. They celebrate, nad tähistavad, nad tähistavad, nad tähistavad. Another way to say tähtpäev in everyday language is pidupäev, pidupäev, pidupäev. My friend jokingly says all the time, pidupäeval ikka võib, pidupäeval ikka võib, pidupäeval ikka võib. Meaning when it's a celebration day, then it's okay to eat some good stuff like cake. Pidu, pidu. Pidu means a party, an event where people gather to socialize and have fun. Birthday, sünnipäev, sünnipäev, sünnipäev is an annual celebration marking the anniversary of one's birth. Pidu starts with the planning that includes deciding on a theme, teema, 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 especially if it's a child's birthday. Sometimes the room is decorated with the balloons. One balloon is õhupall, õhupall, õhupall. If there are many, then õhupallid, õhupallid, õhupallid. Coming in various shapes, sizes and colors, they bring joy and festivity to any occasion. It wouldn't be a party without people. The next step is making at least one invitation, kutse, kutse, kutse. In plural, kutsed, kutsed, kutsed. There's a simple text on it. Palun tule minu sünnipäevale, palun tule minu sünnipäevale, palun tule minu sünnipäevale. Please come to my birthday, followed by the date, time and sometimes also the dress code and the request to answer. The guests, külalised, 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 are most likely your family, perekond, 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 friends, sõbrad, 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 and acquaintances, tuttavad, tuttavad, tuttavad. Acquaintances, tuttavad are oftentimes kindergarten friends, lasteaiakaaslased, 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 schoolmates, koolikaaslased, 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 colleagues, töökaaslased, 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 or kolleegid, kolleegid, kolleegid. The guests will step into the room to congratulate, õnnitlema, 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 to express their good wishes on that special day. Most used expressions for that are palju õnne sünnipäevaks, palju õnne sünnipäevaks, palju õnne sünnipäevaks, palju õnne, palju õnne, palju õnne. After that it's hug time. To hug is kallistama, kallistama, kallistama. Sometimes we say embama, embama, embama. Let me hug you. Las ma kallistan sind. Las ma kallistan sind. Las ma kallistan sind. Or las ma emban sind. Las ma emban sind. Las ma emban sind. They hand over the gift right before or after a hug. A gift is kingitus, kingitus, kingitus. In plural, kingitused, kingitused, kingitused or kingid, kingid, kingid. Handing the gift over we say, this is for you, see on sulle, see on sulle, see on sulle or these are for you. Need on sulle, need on sulle, need on sulle. The gift itself may be a surprise, üllatus, üllatus, üllatus. But sometimes the host provides a gift list. Acceptable is also a gift card or money. If the invitation says a suitable gift fits in an envelope, sobiv kink mahub ümbrikusse, sobiv kink mahub ümbrikusse, sobiv kink mahub ümbrikusse, it means the host prefers money as a gift. An envelope is ümbrik, ümbrik, ümbrik. The gift oftentimes includes the card, kaart, kaart, kaart or õnnitluskaart, õnnitluskaart, õnnitluskaart. Small piece of printed or handmade paper used to convey greetings or wishes. Õnnitlus, õnnitlus, õnnitlus means congratulation. Also some guests bring flowers, lilled, lilled, lilled. One flower is lill, lill, lill. Put the flowers in a vase, pane lilled vaasi, pane lilled vaasi, pane lilled vaasi. Traditionally a table, laud, laud, laud is always prepared with all kinds of food when Estonians gather. Go sit at the table, mine istu lauda, mine istu lauda, mine istu lauda. Name tags are used at larger events. A name tag is nimesilt, nimesilt, nimesilt. There can be games on a birthday, especially if it's a children's birthday. The game is mäng, mäng, mäng. In plural, mängud, mängud, mängud. Like a blind man, pimesik, 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 when one is blindfolded. A treasure hunt, aaretejaht, 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 when you have to use clues to reach the treasure, or the hiding. Peitus, 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 where one seeks all the others. A board game is lauamäng, 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 which have certain rules. Reeglid, 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 and often use dice. One dice is täring, täring, täring. In plural, täringud, täringud, täringud. But it could be some sort of quiz, victorine, victorine, victorine. For example, how well the guests know their host or about the theme. The game should be fun, provide activity and keep spirits up. Fun is lõbus, lõbus, lõbus. It was fun, see oli lõbus, see oli lõbus, see oli lõbus. There is a lot of communication, eating and laughing at the birthday party, but there is a saying. Külalised on 2 korda armsad, siis kui nad tulevad ja siis kui nad ära lähevad. Külalised on 2 korda armsad, siis kui nad tulevad ja siis kui nad ära lähevad. Külalised on 2 korda armsad, siis kui nad tulevad ja siis kui nad ära lähevad. Guests are nice when they come to visit and when they leave. The cue that it will soon be the appropriate time to leave is the cake. Often the cake is brought to the table with a birthday song that we all know. To sing means laulma, laulma, laulma. I sing, ma laulan, ma laulan, ma laulan. We sing, me laulame, me laulame, me laulame. Palju õnne sulle, Palju õnne, kallis Mirru, palju õnne sulle. Palju õnne ja head, palju õnne ja head, palju õnne, kallis Mirru, palju õnne ja head. A cake, tort, tort, tort is a dessert often served at birthdays, consisting of multiple layers with frosting or other filling between them and decorations on top. We also have a word kook, that has no layers and no frosting. Sometimes there are candles on the cake. A candle is küünal, küünal, küünal. In plural, küünlad, küünlad, küünlad. Blow out the candles, puhu küünlad ära, puhu küünlad ära, puhu küünlad ära. And wish for something ja soovi midagi, ja soovi midagi, ja soovi midagi. The wish is soovima, soovima, soovima. I wish, ma soovin, ma soovin, ma soovin. We wish, me soovime, me soovime, me soovime. Every party comes to an end and it's time to say goodbye. On aeg hüvasti jätta, on aeg hüvasti jätta, on aeg hüvasti jätta. There are lots of hugs and finally the home is yours again. Although there are loads of dirty dishes and probably all sorts of mess, the day should bring joy. Päev peaks tooma rõõmu. Päev peaks tooma rõõmu. Päev peaks tooma rõõmu. Joy is rõõm. 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 The whole event should be joyful. Kogu üritus peaks olema rõõmus. Kogu üritus peaks olema rõõmus. Kogu üritus peaks olema rõõmus. In the idealistic world, all the celebration should bring happy memories of the moments spent together. A memory is mälestus. 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 In plural, mälestused. 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 That's all for today. Aitäh! Thank you so much for listening and see you next time. Bye!